Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. This is a gift with purchase. It's from Elemis and I think it's really good. Now normally I buy all my Elemis from the QVC Today Special Values. However, there are a couple of products that I love from Elemis and they never ever turn up in the Today Special Values. So if you're like me and there's something that you want that you just know won't be in a Today Special Value, this could be a good time to buy that item or those items and get this as a little freebie. So yeah, it's a 5-piece set including the bag and it is yours for free when you spend £95 or more. You just have to use a code at checkout, which is GLOWWILD, and it's all yours. So it comes in a very cute little bag. It's a perfect little travel set if you are going on holiday, or if you're buying a gift for a friend, this could be a nice little gift for them. First of all, you get the Collagen cleansing balm, which is always a favorite of mine, yours, everybody's. It's the most beautiful cleansing balm, absolutely gorgeous. This is a 20ml pot, so it's gonna last you a good couple of weeks. And then we have the Collagen face cream. This is probably the highest value product in the set. This is a 15ml tube, which is probably about £30 worth because it is not a cheap cream. It's really good, but it's quite expensive. So this is a really good opportunity to get a little top up. And yeah, it's a great cream. So that is the next thing. Then we have the Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. I've not tried this before, but I'm sure it's amazing. This is again 15ml. It's just gonna make you like look a bit glowier, you know, and it's really good if you're not wearing much makeup. And this is another item which is really good if you're not wearing much makeup because it's gonna again make your skin look really pretty, really healthy, really lovely and glowy. It is a Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I love this stuff, absolutely gorgeous. And if you are wearing a little bit of makeup, it works as a really nice primer, so you won't have to worry about your makeup like sliding down your face if you're wearing this bad boy. And it's really nice as well because if you're using a moisturizer and then a primer on top, it can feel like a lot of layers, whereas this is a bit of a 2-in-1, so it's really lovely. But yeah, that is basically the entire set. It's a really quick video, apologies, but I just thought it'd be helpful to know about if there's anything that you want from Elemis, because yeah, it's a gorgeous brand and I love them to pieces. And as much as the QVC Today Special Values are incredible, and I would say always buy them, this is a really good set. If there's something from your Elemis collection that you just need a little bit of a top up of, or you know won't be in the Today Special Value, this is just a good opportunity to get a little freebie when you're buying your next product. Anyway, that's my video. You get it when you spend £95 or over. Don't forget to use the code, and the shopping link and the code are below in the description. I hope this video is of help. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.